So you're about to work under your car, but if you're like us, you end up running into one of these issues before you ever get started. Can't get the car high enough to use a jack. The point you're lifting from is where you need to put the jack stand. The metal edges of your jack stand damage your expensive floor. There's just not enough room between where you're lifting and the tire to fit a jack stand. Or the jack stand is right in your way when you're working under the vehicle. How can something so simple be so frustrating? I mean, there's got to be a better way, right? Maybe there is a better way. The Jack Rod. This simple device can turn any jack into a jack stand. Simply install the jack rod into the jack like so and press the adjustment lever. The jack rod will extend into the jack. Then lower the jack until you hear an audible click and the weight is firmly on the jack rod. Boom! You've just turned your jack into a jack stand and given yourself the confidence and peace of mind that this old girl ain't going nowhere. With a 4,000-pound capacity, even if the cylinder seal blows out, it is impossible for the car to drop. Let me say that again. With the jack rod installed properly, it is impossible for a standard car to drop. You're safe. It also removes the need for finding a second location for supporting your vehicle. Now you're not stuck putting the jack stand in a less than ideal spot, possibly damaging the car. Nor do you have to worry about the old legs on your jack stand damaging your floors. But even better, now there's no clunky jack stand to get in your way while you work under the car. With the jack rod, you have plenty of room to move about. And you no longer have to worry about getting the jack in exactly the right spot to squeeze that stupid jack stand in between the tires. All this, and it's still small enough to fit in a drawer. Let's see you try that jack stand.
All right, Nick Eisenhower here in Placer City, California, doing some testing with the F-150. Warming the diff up here. It's something we do when we go racing to make sure that... oh, that's not good. I gotta get back.
So ditch that awkward space hog and replace it with the simple to use compact jack rod. Now let's get to work.